Burns and Aho intercept. Can't help but think that this sustained penalty kill is giving confidence to the Islanders.
Oh, it bounces in, they score! On a broken play, just as it looked like the Islanders were generating momentum.
I was just about to say the Islanders were gaining confidence from all this penalty kill success until the unexpected happens. Just an absolutely inadvertent play. You're going to see this try to get chipped in, and it's Sebastian Aho that bats this into his own net. Here it is, a chip in, and he turns and whacks at it, and Sorokin has no idea. And boy, we know how good Sorokin is. It took a flummoxed shot like that to get by him.
That's a tough one for Sorokin. You got the friendly fire from his own Sebastian Aho. He's expecting it to go in the corner. Nason with his second goal in 2 games here.